Who's that? Oh, shh. Are they sleeping? What's that? What's that? What's that, Em? Balloon. What's that? Flower. What's that? Cat. And who's that?
Mommy.
And who's that?
Mommy.
And the other one?
Daddy.
Yeah. And who's that?
Mama.
Grandma. That's right. And great grandma? Who's that? Dora. And who's that? Who's that? Okay. Who's that?
Mama.
Elmo. And who's that?
Kaka.
Granddad. That's a good try. Who's that? Woof woof. It's Molly. Do you know who that is?
Ma.
Meow. That's Maggie. And what's that?
Ball.
Ball. Can you count the balls? M? Okay. Emmy? No. Show me the Vegemite all over your face. What have you found now?